Hello guys, and PX. Just creating a new project, nothing to add it or something. This command is just creating a project with your system, local system basically. This is asking for React Native vector. How can we have to integrate in this? In this video, we are going to install the React Native vector icons package basically. This is for that. Just installation. It will take some times. Yeah, it's done. So we have to go the pack which we create cd React Native packages, and nothing, and just open it on Cloud Editor or VS Code. We opened it as here, so just going to run this one before I change the thing. For a testing purpose, we are just going to convert this one is a JS format basically, nothing. React Native function component, then text app. Zoom on for a basic requirement of you. Just going to run this one. I'm just running the React Native Android, and the simulator is opening. Yeah, it's opened. So our text is over here. If we're going to add some like container, flex one, justify content center, align item center, style equals to styles dot container, so it will be in center. So it's basically an our base application is here over here. So I'm just going to push this code in on GitHub for a basic purpose, for basic understanding also. And just publish branch. creating this one as a public repo, and now it's uploading the file out. I'm just opening it on GitHub. Yeah, as you can see, my package is over here right now. Project is here, sorry. The changes of this one here. Added base file. Nothing else. Now this project is on GitHub as well. Here we can see our initial commit is added base file because of the changes of the app.tsx2.js. Now we are going to install React Native vector icon in our application, this one. So just copy this code, npm install React Native vector icon, and just paste it over here. Firstly, just stop the our running project and run that command. So this is installed. As you can see, it is added in our package.json file as well. So just need to add some lines, bunch of line of code to implement it. Firstly, this line we have to add. This is for Android. Go to the Android setup, go to this file line. Here need to add Android build and build.gradle. So just come over here, Android build and app, then build.gradle file. Here it is file. So just add this line here, over here. Next we have to go the Android and setting.gradle. Just copy this line as well and go again Android and setting.gradle. Edit this line and remove the plus icon at the over the starting over here. And for the next, just go to the copy the next line, implement project, and add it in Android app build.gradle. Just this Android app and build.gradle, implement this line here. Add a comment as well. No need to add a comment. So this is also added. Now go to the main application.java. Basically next is the main application. Here is the route of this Android app src main java. So just go back, Android app src main java, and here is the basically previously the React Native is using Java, so it's previously that is the for .java extension file, but right now it's for Kotlin because it's updated or some else. So just add that line code here, package, and we have to add this line also over here, the new package. So basically we are not adding this complete line, the new and else, we are just adding this line, this text only, vector icon package, this function only added. And right now we can just check our changes. So firstly our changes are the React package.json is the log file, it's auto generated while we are installing the package.json, it's over here. And next is yarn as well, it's also adding automatically. We own the, if I have the yarn, so that's why it's auto edited. The log file is auto generated. So our changes are here, setting.gradle, which is located in our Android, then app, then setting.gradle. We added these two lines over here, and one is the main application.kt. We added two lines over here, build.gradle here, two lines over here we are added. Just save this all the files and go to the Android folder, Android, and clear the Gradle, clean basically. Yeah, it's clean and builds are successful. Just go back and just run the pack. Run your project. React Native run Android. Yeah, so it's run also. Basically, it's not getting give us any error, so I think it's working fine. Just need to add and check the how it's look like basically. Yeah, here it is. Here is a test code basically. Font awesome. We added over here. And just adding this line also. Copy the same name font awesome to replace with this font awesome. Just checking, and it's here. So that's it in our in this video. That's it for it. We checked our React Native vector icon package is done. So what we do in this video, we just create a new project and change that tsx file to js files. It not required. I just changed because not required. If you don't want to change, so don't change. And secondly, after this we added a package for react that is React Native vector icon. Just install this one, and we just follow the guidelines to install which is given by that particular package as well. Here we added some of line, bunch of line here from just copy and paste with the same given what can I say, the given path. And we can just check over here just what is the changes are here. Just we added the main application.kt. We have two changes over here. These are the, and we have another build.gradle file. First change over here and second one is here to implement it. Third changes are in setting.gradle file. These three we have to add, and just nothing. So thank you.